Okay, now we'll go over to Asset Store, and I went ahead and search for it. But we want our standard assets that we played with before. You shouldn't have to download it again because it should already be downloaded, but there's an import option here now. If I click import, I should have done this off the screen, but I did go in to make sure I wouldn't have to download it again because that's take even longer. And everything's marked, so that's okay. Go ahead and click import. And it's still loading. Okay. Expand standard assets down here. I think it's under characters. And there's first person character, third person character. Okay, so depending upon what you want to do exactly. Let's see, go to prefabs. And here's my first person controller. Drag and drop in there. Okay, so now if I run this game, then I can use my arrow keys, go over like that. Come on top of those. Mouse rotates it. I won't do it too fast since I don't want that to disappear. Okay, now I go forward and going to the side. This must have been sitting on top of those to begin with. And our characters work now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change this such that when I collide with one of the coins, the coin will disappear. So that's our goal. Hit escape, take it out of that so I can stop the game. Okay, so now we've got a first person controller on here. This coin right here, let's see. I think I need to give it a tag because if I run it, see how they're called coin clone. So let me give it a tag. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the prefab. Untagged, and I'll call this add tag. Plus, and I'll call it the coin. And adds that. Now I go back to the cylinder, and I choose tag, and I can choose the coin. Okay, I'm gonna click this arrow over here at the far left to get out of that. And I should say the coin. Now let's run this and let's just see if all of them have that same tag. Okay. Press escape so I get my mouse out of there. And now I'll say the coin. Actually, I'm not sure if I need that or not, but that's how you set it up. Okay, I'm putting a separate video. I'm putting these in separate videos so it doesn't crash. But we've just put a tag on there, and we add in our standard assets and our controller.